Okay, so this is James Jai, and today I would like to introduce the sound effect in the Scratch. Well, for last capture, it is the music section, right? And I was enjoy it, but for this section, it is my best because I have been played the drums for 3 years in the past, and I have some experience in there, right? The previous lessons looked at how we could make sound using code, right? So we are now going to look at how we can use sound within loops and how to add sound effect to the games. Well, first of all, we will create a drum machine, and as you can see, I have created a little bit complex but interesting drum machine. And as you can see, I have used the repeat, and use different drums by using the music sections. Let's listen it, shall we? Okay, so it is very amazing that I found that I could even write a very complex rhyme by using Scratch. So it is just enjoyment. So let's continue on the lessons. So for sound effect, we could use the sound effect that in the sound section and both sound section and also music section. We could add, for example, for our maze game last time, we could add play sound after the cat died, right? So let's do a very easy demonstration. It's this one, right? Okay, so this is our maze game. It could run smoothly. Okay, so we could go to sound sections and to add play sound meow until done, right? We could add it, drag it and put it at the end so that when the cat hit the wall, it will sound meow. Let's see what will happen. Let's just hit the wall. See, the cat will start to sound meow. Okay, so this time let's try to finish the game because last time I died several times and we could not finish this game. Well, this time I have really reduced the difficulties and see, so I am good at this game, right? Okay, so okay, well, same thing if we want to add some effect like the chasing game. We can add some effect on the beginning when we click the green flag, right? So when we click the flag, it will the crash grumble will sound like that, and the game started. See, it is very easy, but the sound effect would make the game much like full of interest and enjoyment, and it will make the game much more interesting. So that's all. Thank you.